in this comment. There we go. Hey Keith, how you doing? Welcome, welcome. Okay, it's all still working. Okay, perfect. Good, good, good. At work like normal these days for these days? Yeah, busy guy, busy guy. We got about 14 people popping into the stream already. Let's see, get back to the live here. So I'm interested to see what's going to happen when we get up here 29,250 area. Sharpie, hey, what's up? How are you? Let's get into the Discord. It looks like we got a new AI song from Frankfurter, Costa Rican Vampire. And the VWAP man, Swing King Bot. That was on May 8th. Shots on goal. We do have orders above 29,300, which isn't very far away here, guys. So, again, we'll be watching this key level here. Looks like lining up with value area high. Let's just double check this guy. Session volume profile, turn that on. Yep. Value area high is right on that key 250. Let's put it to the top here. Okay. There we go. And then let's get a quick link in the for the Discord there. I'll pop that into the chat. We can pin it. So we are going to run a duck race tonight, guys, at some point in the stream. And it's basically whoever wins is going to get an extra entry into the Sunday giveaway. Skeletor, good evening. Got home from your shift 10 hours. Wow. That's savage, bro. That's nice. Good job. Heavy working job, hey? Is anybody in any trades right now? Are you guys looking at anything? There's a bunch of orders there at 250, 262. So maybe what we're going to do is see 250 become a support level. We'll have to see. Hey, Swiss KB, how you doing? Brother, share $300. I have a trust wallet. Brother, share $300. I have a trust wallet. I want to fund my account. Don't bother spamming like that, bro. Please. Somebody's in the vertical stream there trying to get some free money. If you keep spamming it, I'm going to have to, hit you with the band stick. And you don't want that. You don't want that. Tell them to open a GoFundMe. Yeah, that's a good idea. Swiss KB, go open a GoFundMe, bro. and I'm sure you can get some big dollars. Angia. Well, hey, it is good morning for you. Good morning to you, Angia. Good evening to the rest of us. Mick, you're currently still in a long on weakness, a continuation trade market. I'm currently still a long on weakness, continuation market. Gotcha. You made 600 plus on Nikkei? Nice. Trade in stocks, I guess, eh? Is that a stock? Nikkei? Nickel? Nikkei? Or is that nickel? Am I just like reading it wrong? N-I-K-K-E-I. No, Nikkei. So what we're in between the first and second standard positive one deviation band off the overnight VWAP here, and we have the we've been holding the 9 EMA lately for some time now. We did pop up, get a rejection, fell back right into this 9 EMA. We have some bullish fair value gaps below. So I guess we'll have to be patient for now. We are kind of in a bit of a choppy zone, probably low volume, as you can see here. Maybe this is going to end up being a reversal point. We'll have to see. We do still have those orders at 250, 262. Looks like the ones at 262 kind of came off a little bit. Yeah, we had about 65 contracts at 262, and now there's only about 43. Hey, Force Fed, how you doing? How you doing, buddy? The guy is Japan's version of S&P 500. Oh, gotcha. Or Dow Jones, etc. Nice. Okay, cool. I don't really know all the other futures names. I only really know, the North American ones. Hey, we got 6 people in the vertical stream. If you guys want to hop on over to the full-size stream, there's a pinned comment in the comments section. That's a link to the full-size stream, so pop on over if you want. We got about 25 people here in YouTube 5 and X so far. 30 people watching. That's a nice turnout right away. Good evening, everybody. Welcome, welcome. Hey, Kyle, how you doing? Topple Fiddle, throwing out the hearts. So far, I don't want to jinx it, but it seems like my mic's working all right, guys? I gotta try my best to not mess with it here. Tony, what's the best deal buying a 25K no activation eval? Like the lowest all-in cost? No activation. I mean, how much does it cost for a 25K from Take Profit Trader? It's probably in between Take Profit Trader and Lucid, right? The Lucid Flex account, Lucid Flex 25K is, if you haven't bought 5 accounts yet, it's a little bit less than $70. Force Fed, kind of weird. The vertical stream has been showing up on my main page last few instead of the regular stream. I have to go to your main page to find it. Really? Huh. maybe it's just easier for them to share it. If you ever do have that, you can always just go in there, and then I usually pin the link in the comment section, right? So it would be pinned there, and then you can just click that and pop on over easily. But interesting. I don't know, maybe I shouldn't be, I don't know. I just find that I get a few more views on the day if I run that one also, just because, you know, as people are flipping through sort of like their short videos that they're watching, they can stumble upon on the stream, right? It did for you too? TPT's running at 50% off. Yeah, TPT's does have a 50% off deal right now. Looking to me like eventually rally at least to 29,400 today, highly likely. 400, hey? Sort of back towards the highs of yesterday's pre-market. Yeah, we'll have to see. Let's see how it goes. We've been rallying pretty good so far. Hey Tim, make candles move in your direction. I like that. I like that. I like it, Tim. It's just an algorithm thing. Yeah, it's probably, they're just pushing the vertical streams a little bit more on YouTube. I did adjust the layout of the vertical stream a bit, just playing around with the layout a bit. I got a slightly larger image of me in there. We got the book map above there. I think it looks pretty good. We got 5 people over there right now. So anyone who is over there, if you guys want to join the full-size stream, there's a pinned comment in the comment section there to bring you straight over. Can you confirm if that fair value gap low at 202 and 196 are legit levels price may want to fill? 202, 196. 202. So it looks like we've already 196 area, I would say, is probably, you know, we've already filled the upper one, but this lower one hasn't, we haven't tested it at all. But we do have the overnight VWAP below, so I would be careful with this one also. Just, you never know. Let's take a look at the 15 here. 199. 199, there's a 15-minute that hasn't been touched yet either. And we got another 15-minute, 155 below that. So yeah, this does look like a decent level. Tim, no neck surgery, inflamed nerve in the neck, treating the nerve. Okay, nice, good. That's good to hear. Surgery is not good. Angia just woke up, feel much better. I'm going to make my coffee, open up my charts later. Nice. Hey, no problem, Skeletor. Glad you're feeling better, Angia. I know you said you're feeling pretty sick the other day, or earlier today. I guess it would have been yesterday for you. Just trying to get a little bit of a Coke Zero caffeine in me here so I can stay energized for the stream. 32 people piled in here on YouTube now. Looks like Stock Tiger is doing a late night stream. 213 people watching. DGen, I'm new. What's up? Hey, DGen, how you doing, buddy? Good evening. Where you tuning in from? DGen Plays. Welcome, welcome. Well, usually he does like Asia Open, but I didn't know he always does like this late. Usually does the Asia session. Michigan, nice. Hey, good to see ya. I'm in Vancouver, Canada. I'm a Canadian, eh? Our friendly neighbors to the north. Your friendly neighbors to the north. All right, here we're getting a bit of a pullback, guys. Let's see what kind of a reaction we can get if we're going to end up holding the point of control, because we've already tapped value area high, and that key level 250 would have been a nice entry for a short there. We would have been in the money pretty nicely out of that candle. Keith, you were in Canada last year for a few weeks. Nice. Yeah, the 51st state. Yeah. Hi, my brother from the north. Yeah, I mean, we are pretty lucky in British Columbia. I would say it's probably the best province for, just for the land in general. In Canada, we have, mountains, ocean, desert, tons of lakes, tons of beaches. We can go snowboarding one day and then drive to the desert the next. So hey, thanks. Yeah, I appreciate that. It is definitely beautiful out here. We just need a switch in the government. At least that's my opinion anyways. Cost of living is just through the roof out here. We have super high, groceries are super high, cost of living's high. So and British Columbia has the only desert in Canada. Oh, hey, somebody who knows what's going on. Every place needs a new government. Fair enough, fair enough. Price is finding support at the 20 SMA. You think we're just going to bounce off this fair value gap here? I don't know. Let's see. Vancouver, BC is very expensive. I lived in Washington State and went to Vancouver multiple times. Yeah. Yes, sir. It is. It's pricey. It's pricey. You can get a house just across the border for half the price as you would pay for one up here. BC and Alberta, only provinces that know what's going on. Yeah. Yeah. Saskatchewan's not too bad also. We could throw them in there. We could group them in with us. They're pretty based also. Bounce up, please. Economic pulse. You in the long or what? Oil has been selling off here. We peaked at 102.70 and we're now at 101.32. Wondering if we're going to get a move lower here. We're kind of getting to a potential support area though, so we'll have to keep an eye on that. We just broke through the 200 EMA. Do you know who 10 Bagger is? You guys have similar accents and he's also Canadian. No, I don't know 10 Bagger. Is that another trader? Went direct beach in Vancouver, apparently a nudie beach, and had a kokanee. Nice. Yeah. Was there a lot of naked old people or what? Kokanee, you had a good old Canadian beer too, eh? I know who Teabagger is, Dave. Oh, look who's comment bombing us here, everybody. W's in the chat from Nick, Mr. Mustang. In fact, you guys, while you're at it, if you haven't already, if you have not already, thanks for the reminder. Oh, what the heck? Just so you guys know, that was Mustang Trader is Nick. He trades with us Monday to Friday live. He's basically the whole reason that we're doing so well in YouTube. So if you guys want to, head over to his channel, give him a quick subscribe so that you can also see what's going on with him. I know a lot of you guys obviously already are subscribed to him, but anyone who's new, definitely head over there if you want to learn about risk management, scaling, and just to see someone who is a savagely good trader. Over 50 watching. Seriously, if you aren't subscribed yet, hit like and subscribe. Help the butcher grow the channel. Great guy, great stream. Hey, thank you guys. Thank you. Appreciate that. Thanks, DGen Plays. Appreciate that. Yeah, he's me and Nick stream live Monday to Friday, 9:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Nick usually is on about 2 hours before. So if you're up earlier than that, you can definitely hop on. He'll be he's an early riser. I'm usually up here doing these late night streams, and then he's up in the morning. So definitely head over there in the morning if you're up early and hang out with him. Keep the guy company so he doesn't feel like a weirdo talking to himself. I think I've heard him say that a couple times. Nice. Thanks, bro. Appreciate that. Is Nick your dad? No. Nick's not old enough to be my dad. Come on. You do both late night and early? All right, DGen. Nice. Good to hear. Yeah, 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, Nick's usually on. I can't tell. Are you Asian? Who, me? Are you talking about me, Paul? Or Angia? Oh, but he's old enough to be your dad? How old are you, Angia? Tim says I'm their dad, LOL. Yeah, LOL, yeah, are you? Am I Asian? No, I'm not Asian. I do have a tiny bit of Métis Native American, though. Native Indian, sorry. Not American, Native Indian. I don't know if you've heard of the Métis, but my mom is a Métis, so I adopted Angia last week. Yeah, I'm a cocktail, a little bit of a mixer. And there's my dad in the chat too. There, I'm Dave's dad. I'm very proud. 60 people watching right now, 55 in YouTube, 5 in X. We have 6 people in the vertical stream. If you guys want to wonder what I'm talking about, you're not seeing any comments there, that you can hit the pinned comment to come over to the vertical stream. You're welcome to stay over there if you don't want to, but just to let you know, there's a link, a pinned comment there if you want to join the vertical stream on that side.
Hey, what's up? Good evening. We just getting loud right now. 6 people in the chat. Let's go. Opened up the chart, yeah, we barely got sleep. MNQ moving wild while the volume low.
Lone Wolf, you're not that old. Come on, bud. You're like the same age as us, aren't you? I mean, Nick's only 4 years older than me. I think it was 4 years. But Mango, what's up? Oil just popped down quickly. Oh yeah, I see that. Oil's starting to make that pull down. That's what I was just talking about earlier. It looks like we're rolling over here. Now we're really at that key area, 100.81 cents here. This would be a pretty key area to get a bounce, maybe down to 67. Hey, thanks, Nick. Appreciate that. Guess Skeletor. Here, you know what? Let's do a little poll. Let's see how old you guys think I am.
Yeah, we all say that. Long one micro, keep it tight. Trail that stop, protect the night. $5 green, then 30 more. We ain't greedy, we've been here before. I'm just stacking little basics. Yeah, small wins, big losses. That's it. MNQ fake you out, then it dips quick, then reverses. Yeah, that's that trick. We don't go big, we survive this. Funded accounts, yeah, we thrive, kids. Slow and steady, that's the mindset. Just stacking up these base hits. Would let my daughter date him. What? That's the weirdest compliment I ever got. Got bears outside, got chickens too. Trying to trade futures while they eating food. Stack it up, stack it up.
Okay, it's starting to pull here, guys. Let's see your votes. Give me the guess here. Give me the guesses here. What do you guys think? 1 year old Price is Right rules? Yeah. You like that?
Tomorrow we trade again. All right, guys. Couple base hits. We'll take that.
Oh, getting an average of 35 here. We got an average of 35. We got somebody who said 30. A couple people said 30.
Opened up the chart, yeah, we barely got sleep. MNQ moving wild while the volume low key. Oil going up, but the NASDAQ too. One of y'all lying, I don't trust you. Flag pattern form.
Rod says 45. Turned 33 in March. Angia. Damn, Dave, no one is even close to getting your old ass correct. Keep hitting that 30, 35, guys. I appreciate it. Now everyone's going to go back and change their vote, aren't they? Topple, you're going on 31 here. Nice. That's a good age. I wish I was still 31. I'm getting away some. Wayne Beauregard, 12. Okay, thanks, bud. This is a little too young. Tim, 66. DGen, you said 40 in the chat. Or is that how old you are, or are you guessing at mine? Yo, Jim Love says 18. Mustang, Dick says 73. I say 37. Skeletor. Oh, that's nice. I appreciate that. Oh, DGen, you're 35K. Market Butcher going on 60 here soon. Oh, really, Lone Wolf? You sound younger than that. Are we shouting out our ages today? Right? Jerry Trades Futures. Mine is in October. Nice. Yeah, that's what I was saying too. I didn't think he looks like he didn't sound like he's 60. Okay, well I better end the poll now before you guys change your responses to my actual age. But you know, you're not supposed to ask a girl her age, right? So Nick says I look 58, but I'm only 32.
hitting quick. MNQ crazy, but we adapt quick. Stop, get swept. Yeah, that's that script. Stay alive, that's the real win. Then tomorrow we trade again. All right, guys.
Now remember, I'm also a Navy vet and also been working my company 30 years now. Hey, that's awesome. Navy veteran, eh? Nice. Dave, it's okay, princess. All right. I feel like I'm age 50 years trading these markets lately. Nice. And ForceFed says bull Mustang. I would have guessed. Oh damn, 62. You were in both Persian Gulf Wars? Wow, dude. Well, thank you for your service. Even though I'm Canadian, I still think the American Army did huge services for the world. Okay, I'm going to end the poll here, guys. Enough of the nonsense. Thank you. I'm 46 years old, guys. 46. Can you believe it? Can you believe it? Oh, damn. Force fed is a cold ass mofo. Yeah, that's true, Tim. I do know martial arts. Me and Nick also does. Nick also knows martial arts. Just so you guys know, I think that's part of the reason we get along so well. Got some respect for each other. Mustang Trader, tell us his real age. Hey, thanks, M. Will. You feel old as 49? Oh, I mean, that's good. That's good. It's a good age. Still, you're still young. You were an Aegis class cruiser, the USS Mobile Bay CG-53. Cool. That sounds awesome. My dad was in the Army also. He went to, I think, to Germany and some other places. Told me stories about digging foxholes in the wild. I've never met Nick in person yet, Skeletor. We're virtual friends. Again, a bit more of a pullback here. USA allows a lot of countries to spend less on their military because US citizens are footing the bill. Yeah, I think there's some truth to that, Mick. I think there's some truth to that. Hey, thanks, Rod. Yeah, most people say I look about 35. And maybe it's because I act that way too, right? But I usually in my photographs, I look older than I do in person too. But yeah, most people say I look about 10 years younger than my age, which is pretty awesome. I appreciate that. I had a pretty clean life, right? I don't drink. You know, I was athletic my whole life. I used to fight, so I spent a lot of time in the gym, exercising, sports my whole life. Try to sleep well, try to eat decent foods. Not always. I'm guilty a little bit of that, but yeah. Price on Q is, I know I saw that it's getting close to the 199 area, and we're currently holding the point of control here. We got a comment here over in the vertical stream. Let me see. What's your favorite market to trade in? Hey, Wealth RX. Hey, sorry about that. I missed your message there earlier. Lately, I've been focused about 90% of my time on MNQ, micro NASDAQ. That's my favorite. So lately, ES is good too. Depends on the day, right? Like if ES is looking cleaner, if the Dow's ripping up, ES is following it. That's a good sign. So some days we'll have ES is cleaner, so I'll look at that. Sometimes I'll look at YM. Very, very few times lately though. for a while there, we were trading it a little bit more. Trading games in the house. Hey, how are you? Flipping NQ loves to hate me. Went out and stopped out 7 of my 10 contracts and goes back down. Hey, well, at least it didn't stop out all of them. All right, Tim. Move stop loss to break even plus cost and commissions. All that getting punched in the face smoothed it out. Yeah.
Yeah, that's the song. Green on the screen, but we stay calm. Cause one wrong move and it's all gone. You want fast money? That's how you lose. Over leverage, yeah, pick your news. We ain't here for a one-day flex. We here long term.
You had your best day ever today, up 1,400. Nice job, Tim. And you're in that big account, right? Is that the Apex 150K? You've been trading minis over there, I think. Congratulations, man. That's awesome. I had a pretty decent day today, too. I ended up finishing the day up 919. So it's been a stellar month so far. Just green across the board, and then today 919 by the end of the day. You know, we stuck around for quite a while on the stream today. It was a long session. I think I put in 4 hours after, and Nick put in 2 in the morning, so we had a total of 6-hour stream today. Easiest market to trade for me is the US note and bond market. It's slow and very predictable. Okay. Hey, good to know. I'm good, thank you. I had a good day also. Market in my paper account last night, I fell asleep, and when I woke up, it was minus 5,400. Damn. That's a coincidence. I taught weapons defense for years, but I think it may have been different weapons. Oh, yeah. Oh, I see that. Lone Wolf worked in weapons defense. If anyone wants to look it up, I worked on the Phalanx, CIWS. Very cool. Thanks for sharing all that info. It's nice to learn stuff about the people in the chat. We're here every day hanging out, talking to each other. So we did hold this. We are holding this bullish fair value gap right at the POC there again. I'm going to wait for this candle to close, see if we leave this bearish fair value gap here, and then we can think about maybe taking a long here if we can break that fair value gap. Mustang trader, is there anything you don't know? You're a crazy, decent man. Not men, man. Men is plural, Angia. M-A-N. The Phalanx is a ship's last defense against incoming missiles. Oh, interesting. That's pretty cool. I feel ya. I left the trade open while driving out of town and cooked the 150K eval. Yeah, you on the way to the airport, right? Is there a 3-minute here? Is there a 3-minute here? Okay, so we are finding a little bit of resistance here at that 213 level. You know, I'm starting to lean a little bit more bearish, but let's see how this ends up playing out. As I say that, it just bounces. So maybe, oh, we're getting some volume here, guys. Getting a bit of a strong move up here, right off the POC. I don't really trust it, though, yet. Don't trust it just yet. Butcher on charts, cutting up trays like meat, no fast. Small size gang, we play it smart. One clean entry, that's where we start. Go too heavy, it drags and bends. Oil too slippery, slips through hands. Nat gas mad, yeah, that one pops. Blink one time, it will take your stops. Step highs, liquidity sits. Yeah. Everybody got a system. Everybody got a story. We do have oil looking like it's trying to go lower. That could be helping the NQ a bit right now, although they seem to have decoupled a little bit lately. So move stop loss down, got stopped out, plus $20 on the 25K eval or 25K account. Nice, Tim. Good job, good job. You're not touching that other account right now? Angia, I read a lot and will try anything. I wish I knew more about crypto, zoology, and astrophysics. Yeah, there's a rabbit hole you can go down about crypto. I've spent quite a few hours learning about crypto. That's why I'm a Bitcoin maxi. I have a I would say decent holding in Bitcoin. Looking out to about 2030 to reevaluate what I might end up doing with that. So I want to see $1 million Bitcoin. Yeah, not an Asia session. Yeah, fair enough. Oh, you had 20 MNQs. You were long 2 NQs? Nice, nice. 69 people watching, 71 actually, 66 people in YouTube, 5 in X. Welcome everybody. Just wanted to take a quick look here how we're doing on the subscribers. 1,147 subscribers. So thanks a lot for anyone who is new. It looks like we got a couple new subscribers today. Have a good sleep, Tim. No, Dave. Cryptozoology. Oh, cryptozoology. The study of extinct and endangered animals. I thought you were saying like crypto and zoology. We're talking about getting punched in the head too many times a little bit earlier, right? No shortcuts, no magic formula, just you and the chart. So we have some pretty decent volume on that last 3-minute candle there, and we did invert that fair value gap. We are not inverting it on the 5-minute just yet, though. We still have 1 minute left on this candle, so let's keep an eye out for that. Derp. Tim, see you in coffee. Tim says, Nick, see you in the morning for coffee. Blockchain animals, right, Harriet? You don't care who you think you are. Harriet, are you a female? I think that's a female name, right? Harriet? We only have about 4 or 5 females that hang out in the stream with us. We got Angia, Joanne, Lady Sika, and Jane Bond. So that's for sure 4. I think there's somebody else I can't remember now that she pops in once in a while. Usually the majority of the people that watch the stream are all males. When I look at the YouTube stats, I like to play on Harriet Tubman. Nice, yes. Okay, look at this, guys. We turned bearish. I don't know if you guys were in along there, but trying to hold the POC here. I don't really like the price action here. We're pretty choppy. So I'm just staying flat for now until we see a bigger move here. Whether we're going to get it or not, that's a good question. But you know my style at this time of night. If we're seeing this type of price action, I'm not really interested in trading it. The risk to reward just isn't really there. And we do have this bullish fair value gap below, but that being said, I would almost rather wait for a pull down to the VWAP or potentially this 29,170 if we're going to find some support and then look at taking a long. So couple ideas right now. If we get above the 250 level, we can definitely look for more longs. That'll be a very bullish sign. And if we start breaking down below the point of control, we can trade it possibly down to the VWAP. And if we end up blasting right through that, I mean, we got the 200 EMA below for another target. But in this little area here, I'm not that interested in trading it just yet. So Clee. Oh, of course, Clee. Yes, I didn't forget about you. That's who I was trying to come up with earlier. No, I'm a digital avatar dude in a basement. Digital railroad to freedom with Harriet Tickman. Oh, gotcha. Where you been for the pre-market? Clee? We're at +1 deviation. Hey Alex, how you doing? I can't forget about Klee.
Everybody got a system. Everybody got a story.
Call the police. I forgot about Klee for a moment there.
You don't care who you think you are.
Oh, I got burned. I'm no longer her favorite.
Smart money this, that. But who?
There you go, Nick. You got another one in your corner. They're all rotating over slowly here. Nobody likes me anymore. 73 people, guys, in YouTube. 5 in X. We got 5 people in the vertical stream. Anyone who's in the vertical stream, feel free to pop over to the full size stream. You can join in on the mayhem in the comment section here by clicking the link that is pinned in the comment section there. We'll probably end up doing, like I said, guys, we'll run a duck race of people who are in the stream here. I'll just make a quick form to fill out just so we can get everyone's names in there that is active in the stream, and we'll do a duck race, and whoever wins that will get a second entry into the Sunday giveaway. You've been hopping in and out multitasking? Nice. You're long 2NQ again? Nice. All right. Forgive him. He's 46 years old. Can't remember a thing at his age. Poll for the chat. Is it a duck? Is it duck? Great. Duck, gray duck, or duck, goose? Yeah, this PLC seems to be support right now. We've bounced off of it twice. Are we kind of making a head and shoulders here before we go lower? Possibly. Yeah, of course. Duck, goose? Yes. But I've never played duck, gray duck. It must be my dad jokes and toucans. Clee said she digs my poison dart frogs too. So Dave just can't compete with that. Yeah. Mr. Mustang is my silver fox. Nice. Duck, goose. Yeah. Oh, it's duck, gray duck in Minnesota. Interesting.
Yeah.
I guess because we have Canadian geese up in Canada, maybe that's why it's duck, goose. Minnesota is where they play duck, gray duck. Gotcha. They sell dreams and them candles say it's all control. Smart money this, that, but who really knows? Okay, so we did finally invert that 5-minute fair value gap, guys. So, now I'm kind of interested to take a long here on a pullback. We do have orders up there at 237. Looks like the orders at 250 are gone though. I don't really like that. And also the orders kind of came off at 262, but sort of popped back on a little bit there. Still have the solid 133 up at 29,300. What about below? Anything sticking out? We got a ways down there. So 29,000. We have 116 contracts. So a bit of a mixed bag right now. It looks like we've got a lot of resistance here, potentially at 29,237. Wait for the model, trust the plate. Meanwhile, rent still due next days. I ain't here to hate. I'm just keeping it real. I'll join. Is it pop or soda? I guess it's up to interpretation, right? I call it pop. We call it pop in Canada anyways. Your TP's 29,260. Nice. Might be a double bottom. Yeah, it's when we get a double bottom like that, sometimes they might want to go sweep that one more time, right? Which would kind of line up with our bullish fair value gap here, 197.
No shortcuts, no magic formula, just you and the chart.
Rolled the dice on the short, not looking too well. Yeah, I would be careful with the shorts. I would be looking for us to get and hold below the point of control here. We also have this other VWAP. I mean, technically we're above the overnight VWAP nicely, so it's kind of hard to say we're going to be getting shorts here. And we didn't really get a closure below the stand, like the +1 deviation band there either. If we get a nice closure below that, maybe we're going to head back to the VWAP. But you might get a chance if you're, I don't know what your entry is, but we might get a pullback here before, if it is going to break out higher, we might end up getting a pullback first. But let's see. We do have a cluster of orders there at 237, which kind of could be either the draw on liquidity or a potential resistance level. So it's pop. The name soda was originally from the mineral content in water used to make soda. There has never been soda in pop. The name came from the sound of the cork because of the carbonation. Look at this guy. This guy's full of information, eh? 5-minute trading range long from the standard +1 deviation. Yeah, it looks like it, right? And we held the point of control there. I'm hoping for a little bit of a pullback here to retest the inverted 5-minute bullish fair value gap. Or it was bearish, that's now been inverted. So it's not a very large gap. It's right in here. What's going on? I'm just keeping it real. If it works for you, then go get your deal. But I seen too many stuck in the script while the market flipped and they couldn't adapt quick. Ain't no guru gonna trade your hand. Ain't no system gonna make you a man. It's discipline, patience, loss you accept. It's the trades you skip, it's the risk you carry. So it's yellow already, so that's an inverted fair value gap there. Smart money, this, that. But who really knows? Useless crap stuck in your head? Yeah. Mustang Trader, I was planning to be Mrs. Clee Butcher until he forgot about me. Need to get rid of this last name ASAP. Aww. Now I'm sad, guys. I don't think I can trade anymore tonight. My emotions are wrecked. I'm gonna make some bad decisions now. Oh, we're not gonna get a pullback, are we here? Do you have any kids other than your pets, Skeletor? No, unfortunately, I don't. I still hope to have at least one kid one day, eventually. Yeah, I wanted to have a child in my last long-term relationship. It didn't work out though. Jays. Well, looks like you missed this move here. Good job on the longs there, guys. Hey, Oleg, how you doing? Good evening. What's up, buddy? That's got to make it on the new hit track now. What's that? Oh, the comment about the Clee put there. Emotions are erect. He wasn't into children? Oh, what, my last long term, he wasn't into children? You know I don't like dudes. I mean, I like my bros, but not like that. I'm definitely traditional in that sense. No, nothing against people who you know, look that direction, but that's just not for me.
I'm just keeping it real. If it works for you, then go get your deal. But I seen too many stuck in the script while the market flipped and they couldn't adapt quick. Ain't no guru gonna track. Market butcher live. We're not here to gamble. We're here to survive.
Close your trade minus 910. Oh, plus 910. I'm like, damn. Oh, geez. Looks like I'm missing it here. We're having too much fun in the chat here. I'm not focusing on trading here. Was looking for a pullback into this inverted fair value gap, but it looks like we're not going to get it. The move might be pretty much done. We do have that key level that I've been talking about, 29,250. Looks like we got a little bit of orders kind of coming on up there. So after two $300 days, I took a $500 loss today. Thought I was on MNQ, was on, and oh yeah, that happens. Hey Kaylin, I've done that before also. One time I took a loss, another time I did it by accident, and I got a win out of it, luckily. So it can work both ways, but too bad to hear that. So you're still plus 100 though, which is good. There you go, right, Andrea? Oh, you're in that paper account? Getting used to seeing those bigger numbers? So I wouldn't recommend taking a long up here, guys, because if we are kind of in this chop area still, this could be sort of the rejection point. I'd want to see us get a nice closure above. We do have this channel here, which was working before. We look back to yesterday's session at the end of the New York session, then into Asia. It was holding pretty nicely. We ended up breaking below, finding resistance, and then going lower on it. We popped up there, rejected off of it. So I feel like this is still a valid area to consider. So we have all done it. I blew an account or 5 like that, right, Nick? Yeah. Plus 350. I'm currently long 29,213. Nice job for MNQ. Very good, very good. Okay, wait. I had to pause the stream because my son got home and wanted to talk. Dave, did I hear you? Your emotions are erect? No, I didn't say that. I said my emotions are... I don't remember exactly what I said, but I didn't say erect. Or maybe I said my emotions are wrecked, like they're ruined. I have no control right now because Clee said she's divorcing me and getting rid of my last name. Wrecked, not erect. Butcher live. We're not here to gamble. We're here to survive. Hey, we live. 50 people watching, 20 likes. Hit the button, see? Dave, you don't mind if the chat trolls you a little bit? It's all nice and fun. Of course not. I'm having a good time. Don't you see me laughing here? This is probably one of the more fun streams we've had in a long time. 92 people watching right now. 95. We got 90 in YouTube, 5 in X. Hey, take a moment there, guys. If you haven't already, please hit that like button. I'd appreciate that. And if you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hit that bell notification so you can see when we go live. We're live Monday to Friday, 9:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you're up earlier than that, Nick's live 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So come hang out with us in the morning. And then also I'm live Sunday, Tuesday, Thursday at a minimum here, 10:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So come hang out. Kickboxers can't get erect. They're not allowed. Really? Ranja, I worked on a stud farm when I was a teenager. There were too many erect things there. Wow, dude. It's hard to, when you're a kickboxer, it's hard. Definitely, you can't do that because we I don't know about everybody else, but I used to wear a metal cup, literally a metal cup. When I used to kickbox, they used to make us wear like a steel cup. It had like hockey skate laces to hold it on, if you can imagine. New meaning to balls of steel, right? Yeah. But hey, you can get kicked pretty easily, so it's definitely important to protect the family duels. Hey, we are one subscriber away from the 150 point here. Look at this, guys. I gotta stop talking here. I'm missing out on these trades. We're all the way up into that 250 level there now. 29,250. I just don't know how to enter here now. Let's see what's going to happen here. Are we going to end up getting through this or not? This is definitely getting into bullish territory again. Do kickboxers use fake toenails, possibly with sharp ends? That's a good question. That's a good question. Family fuels? No, I said jewels, like with a J, but yeah, family fuels, yeah. Insane squeeze, yeah, we are squeezing here, guys. I just used a coffee cup. Right?
We live. 50 people watching, 20 likes. Hit the button.
Force fed, dirty, duh. When you knock people out, did you apologize afterwards? You're so nice. I feel like you did. Oh, thank you. You know, not really. I was pretty well. That's actually part of the reason I stopped fighting is because I just don't have that like killer instinct. You know, like some of those guys really just want to like hurt people, right? And that just wasn't me. So that was part of the reason I ended up stopping fighting anyways. And the fact that I wanted to, you know, be able to walk when I'm 40, because kickboxing has a real toll on your legs. Getting booted repeatedly in the legs and booting people. Like, it doesn't matter if you're kicking or getting kicked, like your legs just get beat, right? So thoughts on Xi and Trump meeting tomorrow? Yeah, I'm not really sure what to think about it. Like, as if, are we going to be bullish or what? That's kind of your idea? Are we going to get more of a squeeze here, guys? Did you ever send anyone to the hospital during your fights? No. I knocked a lot of guys out, but I never sent anybody to the hospital, no.
Don't worry, you didn't lose much on that trade.
Can't really buy this here. Should have bought the pullback on that channel. Should have bought that guy right there. Question of the day: do you also have scars on the inside of your thighs from the cup and scars on the inside of your cheeks from the mouth guards? No, I do not. I do not. I would expect headlines from the meeting could move the market in the morning. Yeah, definitely. We'll have to keep an eye out for that. I mean, I feel like it's going to be good. I feel like it's going to be good news, right? I mean, I don't really know though. You think she will force Iran into a deal? They have a lot to lose on the oil side of if they get 40 to 50 of their oil for them. Yeah, that's true. That's true. You must have taken more nut shots than me. Randall Paul Trader, my son did Muay Thai and was ranked 5th in France MMA. He said you have to have that inner discipline and be highly technical. Totally, Randall. Can't agree more. And that's part of the reason I ended up, when I ended up stopping, I just kind of was like losing the desire to fight, And once you start losing that desire, then you're not gonna train as hard. You have less of that killer instinct. And maybe with age, as I was getting through my career, like I didn't start fighting until I was around 20, maybe it was 21. And then I ended about 4 or 5 years later. And around that time, I was kind of like, I took a couple fights in my last year. And just kind of like, sort of like felt like I was losing the motivation to do it. So once you lose the motivation, you don't train as hard. And then once you don't train as hard, you're just like asking to get beat. So yeah, it helps if you're a psycho that giggles while you punch people. Yeah, that helps. Need to learn how to fight since they're making us return our firearms. Yeah, right. Top part of the trading range. I know we're kind of right at this wick here. Damn. 20 to 80 trade looks like it's playing out right now. 60 points up. Strickland beat Kazmat. Was a little bit surprised. Kamzat, yeah. Ever fight Andrew Tate? No. Come and get him. Have I ever used my martial arts in real life when you were threatened or something? Yeah, I mean, I fought way too many times outside of the ring. Too many times. And I was often defending my friends. Like, they were the guys who were getting into situations, and I was the one that was finishing the situation. Hold on here a sec. I might have to go tell Frank to calm down here for a sec. Yeah, Randy was one of them. Yep. Randy was definitely one of them. Yeah, let's do it. Set it up, Force Fed. Get me a fight with PW. I'll do it. Look at the drop, yeah, check going wild. Somebody said they ain't slept in a while. Tips to avoid over leveraging. Step 1, don't trade like a savage. Nah, I can't hit by with his butt on the trade down green like, yeah, I planned it that way. I ran news, or you're moving strange. Market don't care, still crabbing the range. I slipped on a dog turd today. Bro, what? Chat going off, yeah, we love that stuff. Up 850 on a funded account. Next guy. I blew mine in one candle. I'm out. 53 watching, only 21 likes. I gave Ralph a bath today because his skin issues needed some attention. And now he's just passed right out. Frank needs to stop getting you in fights. Yeah. Right? Those friends always causing trouble. Did you pay to watch that? Yeah. It's been a while since you've been in the ring. Let's start you off a little lighter. I'll set you up with Tory trades. I think I would lose that fight, honestly, because I can't hit a woman.
Hits only, no fuss. Don't worry, you didn't lose much on that trade.
Oh, you mean Ralph? Yeah.
Right.
You fight TW, I'll fight Randy. There you go. Randy trades. Don't fight. Just say sorry and have a beer, like true Canadians. Yeah, totally right. Dave would destroy PW. Don't tell him, he'll start ripping me on X. Oh, jeez. I don't know what I'm doing here. I need to get into a long here. But knowing my luck, you know, as soon as I get into a long right now, it's gonna pull back on me. It's typical. We do have orders here up at 62. Are we gonna go all the way to 80? Possibly. I would like to see a nice retest here. I need to see some red candles here, some bearish candles here before I end up getting into long. Did I see PW's haircut? No, I didn't. What did he do? I hope you guys don't hate it though. I often have been pretty flat on these evening streams. I try to be patient, but then we not really getting much chance to enter here. I should have taken this long off the PLC, but this is all easily looking at it hindsight. We do have those two bullish fair value gaps there. Nice round 200 level, bounced right off it. Huh. He's got a mohawk? No way. He looks like a troll doll. Crazy. I'm starting shit. You're starting shit tomorrow? Oh, you're starting shit tomorrow? Okay. Gotcha. Bro, he cut his own hair. He looks like a troll doll. Like a Cabbage Patch doll? You know, I gotta say, I do like the guy. I think he's a great entertainer and he's a master marketer. And he's a pretty damn good trader too in general, right? Jono says Cabbage Patch doll. That's so funny. Pull it up for us. Oh, let's see. Where do we see it? Would it be on his is it on his X? Did he do it? Did he do it for his racing? Or what? Or do I gotta go to YouTube for that? I don't get this palm. Watch this. Frank won't stop barking, guys. Let's see this live. Let's try to find their live stream. 7 hours ago. I thought he wasn't, I thought because he's racing, he wasn't going to be on stream at all. Hits only, no fuss. Don't worry, you didn't lose much on that trade. Yeah, I'm only seeing D Money so far. 50 people watching, 20 likes. Hit the button, see? Oh, there you go. I see it. I see it. I see it. Are you serious? He did that. He did it, guys. What a savage guy, man. This guy's savage. He's a savage, I gotta say. He's in Cali right now. Look at the drop, yeah, chat going wild. Somebody said they ain't slept in a while. Tips to avoid over leveraging. Step one, don't trade like a savage. Nah, I can't hit by with this bot on the trade down green like yeah, I planned it that way. I ran news, oil moving strange. Market don't care, still crabbing the range. I slipped on a dog turd today. Bro, what? Chat going off, yeah, we love that stuff. Up 850 on a funded account. Next guy blew mine in one candle. I'm out.
53 watching, only 21 likes. Hit that button, don't be that guy. If you whack tag it, we might just bounce or fake you out and take you out. Go long, let's eat.
I play slow, long or short. I'm thinking I'm still leaning long here. We're above the value area high now, so we're in price discovery. We have this key level that I've had marked off for some time below us, 25,250. I kind of want to see us get a retest and a bounce. I want to, like, because we haven't pulled back at all for some time now. So if we can get a pullback and find some support here and a bounce, then we can probably target, up to 280. Maybe we'll front run the 280s for an exit kind of idea.
Don't worry, you didn't lose much on that trade.
It's like a Chuck Liddell haircut. Yeah, you're right. His hairdo went short on NQ.
Hit the button, see?
Randall Paul, you stopped as well because I lost the killer instinct and I had other things to do, but good experience. Hey, I totally agree with that 100%. That's awesome. Sounds like we had a similar experience. Randall, you put a limit to buy at 228 because of the 5-minute POC and the 9 EMA, so also the VWAP could act as magnet. 228. Yeah, that's not a bad area for sure. Frank just keeps barking. I don't know. Maybe there's some hikers going by. Oh, 7 minutes ago, I had somebody on the ring camera. Okay, guys, I'm going to have to go down there one more time. I'll be right back. All right, homies, I put some green in the book for the session, so I'm done trading. Nice job, Nick. I'll be right back, guys. Sorry about that. Look at Nick selling his trade. That's why it's rolling over. Anyone who's long here, if they're losing some money now, you know who to blame.
Yeah, that's that trick. Small size gang, yeah, we don't rush. Market butcher, base hits only, no fuss. Don't worry, you didn't lose much on that trade. Right. We live. 50 people watching, 20 likes. Hit the button, see? MNQ on the chart, I'm scalping every move. Mess running slow, but I'm still in the groove. Stop loss tight, nah, wait, maybe not. No stop loss. I just wanna blow the account. NQ sweep stops, then it rips back.
I think Ralph wants to say hi to the chat. He just woke up.
Yeah, that's that trick. Small size gang, yeah, we don't rush. Base hits only. No.
Say hi to the chat, Ralph. Say hi to everybody. Hi, guys. What's up?
Don't trade like a savage. I can't hit by with this ball on the trade down green like, yeah, I planned it that way. I ran news, or you're moving strange. Market don't care, still crabbing the range. I slipped on a dog turd today. Bro, what? Chat going off, yeah, we love that stuff. Up 850 on a funded account. Next guy, blue mining one candle. I'm out. 53 watching, only 21 likes. Hit that button, don't be that guy. If you whack tag it, we might just bounce or fake you out and take you out. Go long, let's eat. I'm short 5 micros, I'm in.
All right, we are getting that pullback here.
Same bro. Market said, watch this. Then it go. MNQ on the chart. I'm scalping every move. Mess running slow, but I'm still in the groove. Stop loss tight, unless I forget. And I'm sitting there like, why'd I do that? NQ sweep stops, then it rips back quick. You missed by 1 tick. Yeah, that's that trick. Small size gang, yeah, we don't rush.
Hey, Randall, if you want to join us in the full-size stream, there's a pinned comment there. If you just click that link, you can hop on over. We have 88 people watching now in the other channel. Let's see. All right, homies. Sorry. I say it like a Canadian. Sorry. Kaio, 2NM, 140 average hold overnight. Oh, you got 140 average long? You're going to hold it overnight? Nice. Well, I want to be a buyer here at some point, but now we got to get back above the value area high. What are the waves? Oh, that's a book map. Are you talking about on the left side here? On the left side, this is called the book map. Oh, these guys, these are standard deviations. If you're talking about the VWAP standard deviations, a green line here, this sort of a grayish line, and then another sort of green line up there. Yeah, those are standard deviation bands. Yeah, so if you do an anchored VWAP, just click on the anchored VWAP, double click on it, and they'll bring up this little window here. You just select. This is an easy way to get some deviation bands going. Just select all three of those, and you'll have 3 standard deviations showing. Let's get rid of this inverted fair value gap. It's so far away now. Now I'm kind of wondering if we're going to get a deeper pullback here or not, or is this the start of a deeper pullback, or are we going to just find support here at the bottom of the channel? Looks like we did get some buyers at the 42 level. It's still a test bar. So I didn't really like the fact that we can't get back above that key level 250 and also the value area high. Dave, are trading the pullbacks to the VWAP bands? I didn't really have that in mind at the moment. I'm still leaning bullish, so I just want to see us get back above the value area high here to see if we're going to get any more continuation. It's a bull flag. Yeah, we are kind of forming a bull flag right now. Look up a test bar on AI. Just curious, not financial advice. I mean, that is it is interesting that we found resistance right at the standard deviation there, the one band. That's a standard one, right? Or is that, no, that's standard second standard deviation band there. A 5-minute test bar on NASDAQ usually refers to a 5-minute candle that tests an important level and gives traders information about whether it's likely to hold or fail. Common examples of a test bar is testing a VWAP, testing prior day high or low, testing orb high or low, testing a fair value gaps, testing session high and low, testing a breakout level. MNQ breaks above opening range high is an example. What traders usually look for: long wicks or rejection, reduced volume on a pullback, failure to close through the level, aggressive reclaim. A bullish example is breaks above resistance, pulls back to that level, a 5-minute candle dips slightly below and closes back above, the next candle expands upwards. That's a 5-minute test bar. Gotcha. So you'd say this is a test bar, fair value gap or trend line test bar there. Interesting. So let's see if we can't. It would be nice if we could get a closure above the value area high here. There we go. We're getting a move now. Back above 250. Still got a minute and 29 seconds on this guy. I'm gonna wait for this candle closure though. Need an up bar after the test? Yeah, that's what I'm looking for. If we end up, I didn't know exactly what a test bar is in your terms that you're bringing up there, but that's kind of what I've been waiting for, is a closure back up above the value area high, which would be a bullish bar after the test bar. That's what I look for at VWAP levels. I just never knew they're called test bars. Yeah, interesting. Hey Nick. We always, that's why it's so awesome to have so many people in the chat, helpful people, because they're saying, you know, they always got some helpful tips. Where's your stream? Randall, if you, there should be a link pinned in the comment section there. You're in the vertical stream. So in the vertical stream there should be a pinned comment. If you click that link, it should bring you over to the full size stream, which has a book map and you know, the trading view chart, and then everybody else is here. So we got 87 people, 92 people in YouTube, and 4 in X. So I think maybe some of you guys just popped over. We do have 14 people watching the vertical stream now. So welcome everybody who's new. If you are new to the channel, would appreciate a subscribe and a like if you have the feeling to do so. Would love that support. Hey, there you go, Randall. Randall's over here now. Nice. Hey, 1,154 subscribers, guys. We're on our way, moving on up. Thank you for the support. I appreciate that. I appreciate it so much. You guys rock. So, hey, so now what do you say? After we had an indecision candle, does that mean that the test bar isn't necessarily true, or what? Or are we still just looking for a bullish move away from that? You love the people here, learn something every day. Yeah, it's so good to have different points of view and different experiences. Everyone has their own way. Yeah, it might be a sell. It might be a sell here. We might be, again, we just kind of held that the bottom of that channel there. I mean, it depends, I guess, right? Because we could be looking at a higher time frame. If we look at like the 10-minute or the 15-minute, you know, we still have an active test bar there, right? So I'm still looking for a bullish move here. If we get a strong move above the 250s here, I don't see why we can't go higher, right? Failed test, pull back and buy, Jimmy Tan. I want to see some more confirmation here before I take a long. Very interesting market psychology yesterday. The rhythm should show us that the market has the ability to rebound, but we will swing. Yes, in this current market condition, we are having some swings, right? For sure. RSI is at... Yeah, MACD is also in bullish territory. Damn, guys, I think we're missing it here. I can't really buy it now, though. Yeah, NQ is ready to go. Wow, push-up is insane. Yes. Savage push-ups here. The market is frustrating me right now, though. I can't seem to get into an entry. I tried to go long there, and I forgot that I still had an order set in for a limit order way down from earlier. Why is Frank barking so much, man? Oh, there's a car driving by or something, right? Oh my god, sorry guys. 1 second. Okay, well hopefully he's gonna calm down now. Came here because the video said trading. Can you confirm these trades execute on CME for real? I mean, sorry, I'm a little confused what your question is. So if you're trading a prop firm, technically your contracts don't trade on the CME for real because it's it's simulated trading. But if you're talking about all these contracts here are real contracts on the CME, on the book map. So orders here, 29,300 are definitely all real contracts. So these are not real trades that execute on an exchange. All profits, losses, and motions are simulated for entertainment purposes only. Yeah. Hey, Kate. All right, Nick. Have a good night. Oh, you're gonna go do some research on engagement rings for Clee? Oh, jeez. I guess I better return mine. Hey, damn. Good night, Nick. It's simulated trading until you go live with a funded account. Yes. Sim trading only here. Not entirely true. If you pass an eval, you get paid out on them if they are sim. Yes. What? Force fed? Wrong? Why is that wrong, David? They do have real trading if you get to put to a live account. So if you take multiple payouts, a lot of firms will put you to a live account. Yeah, the money that hits a bank account, it surely is real. Yes, for sure it has. It is real. Always has to be the one guy in every stream, right? Yeah, I mean, lots of people are skeptical on payouts and trading and stuff, right? But anyone like myself who has received a payout, you know it's real because I got money in the bank. You know, I started a trading corporation this year, and I haven't spent any of the money that I've got from payouts. They're all sitting in there right now, because I don't have like a credit card with my corporate account, so I actually have to buy them myself, and then I'm planning to pay myself for the cost of those accounts out of the trading corporation, and then that's how you basically do the accounting for that. So if you spend $300 on buying an account or whatever it is, then at some point you can pay yourself out of your trading corporation, and then the taxes end up working out like that. So you started a trading corporation with 0 real trades? Yeah, I mean, yeah, bro, you can make money. It's not a scam at all, dude. It's not a scam at all. If you can't trade, it seems like a scam, but once you learn how to become profitable, you can trade in the prop firm simulated trading and take money out of the market. So I think you should do a little bit more research, Mr. David Maloney. Prove what? I don't need to prove anything to you. Show me a link from the CME saying that this is legit. Yeah, I'm not gonna bother trying to prove anything to you, bro. Time to use the ban button. No, it's okay. He's welcome to say what he wants to do in the chat there. That's totally fine. Not going to be offended by what somebody says. It's all good. He caught us, hey, force fed. All these people in the chat are like, yeah, it must be a scam. You convinced everybody now. It's all a scam, right? I gotta say, we've been pretty blessed in this channel. 98% of all the people who join and watch a stream are all supportive, nice, good people, good traders, and you know, they don't come in here and start making up nonsense. So some people are just, you know, they come from a negative point of view, and nothing you can really do about it, nothing you can really say to change it, right? So show me a link from CME, FTC, etc. That Kyle dude is a troll. Ban him. Hey, if anything, it's entertainment for us, right, guys? So, Chris, I need to look at the bid-ask spreads in futures. I've been looking into some on stocks and options, and I want to see how well they work. So, a good way to see bid-ask spread is if you use a trade of 8, right? So here's a trade of 8. If you zoom in right here, you can kind of see the bid-ask spread right here on the right here, this little green and red line. So as this is moving around, they're moving their orders up and down, whether price is getting filled here or there. That's your spread right there. So really, typically, it's 0.25 to 0.50, 2 ticks spread at the most. Can we send David to the VIP room to reward his detective work? If it's so legit, share the dozens of links from CME, FTC, etc. I mean, if you don't trust it, bro, like you don't have to trade futures, right? Put some of your own money into an account like IBKR or Tradeovate, and you can trade live on the market. Oh, guys, we have 2,000 people watching right now because we're getting flooded with bots right now. Check that out. We got over 2,000 people watching right now in the channel. 2,133. We're getting flooded with bots right now. A long-time listener, first-time comment: is Bookmap worth it to get tape confirmations, or is it more about understanding where the volume nodes are, both low and high? I would say it's definitely worth it. Enjoy my bots, you scammers. It must be his bots, right? And you're saying we're scammers, and you're the guy bringing in all the bots, eh? Make sure you email YouTube to let them know. They will flag you. Otherwise, they'll arrange it for views. How do you reach out to YouTube about bots? Send feedback. Okay, I'm gonna take a quick screenshot here. Control Shift S. We're getting botted here. There's probably some guy who lost a lot of money day trading and he's just bitter. I'm new here, but this guy's weird AF. Hey, yeah, right, Kyrie? Facts. I reported him for pornography. Ignore him. Do you know that when you withdraw money from a broker, it's not called payouts, which is a casino term? It's PW in disguise. Right? Oh, we're getting a little bit of volatility here. Let me see. I think it's... How do you do the screenshot again? Is it Shift Windows S? It doesn't seem to want to work right now. He's mad about the haircut commercial? The haircut comment? Not everyone here does prop. I trade a real live personal account. Yeah, I mean, that's kind of the goal eventually, right? Print screen works well. But then it's probably going to print screen my main screen, right? TPT is called a payout, my guy. Print screen, it will be in your clipboard. Mine loads a snippet tool. Control S. Control S is save. Oh. Okay, I'm gonna take a picture anyways. And then I'll just do a report. I'll just go into YouTube on my phone and do it that way. Should be able to make some sort of a report. Send feedback.
At 37.
Any of you can prove me wrong, just show me a legit URL from CME FTC. It's all, this is a legit way to trade. How come none of you can do it? Save the innocent from the scammer who doesn't ask for money and just show us his trade and prop firm. I think it's time for the ban hammer though. There we go. I did. Yeah. It's all monopoly money. He needs Jesus. You're getting booted, Butcher? What do you mean? Oh, yeah. Or botted, yes. Yes, I am getting botted. Clay Trader got botted once they thought they manipulated the views. It froze him from stream for a few days, if I recall. Yeah, I don't know. I did send feedback saying that I'm getting botted. So I don't know how to. I'm just gonna quickly run it by AI and see if there's a way that I can deal with this better. YouTube help and report spam abuse. Help center. Oh, go on YouTube, go to the live control room in the chat, click the 3 dots beside the spam user, click hide from channel or report. Well, how do I report it during the stream? How do you report 2,000 people? $2,300 people in this channel right now. What the heck? Okay, let's go content, live, current live stream, and the 3 buttons. Nope. Oh man, this is annoying. Oh, got a YouTube fake. YouTube fake report or fake viewer report. click more on the channel, go to report and we're missing the move here now, guys. What the heck? Drop the question into Grok. Can YouTube stop bots on a live stream chat? And if so, how? We're down to 448 now, so it's going away, but it's still going to be potentially an issue, right? And here we're missing this move now because this guy screwing with us. Okay, I think the send feedback page might be enough. That says I haven't submitted any feedback. We're back down to normal. Bots are gone, yeah. We are in price discovery. Yep. At least I did report. I don't know. I sent feedback. There we go. I got a screenshot. It was too late now, though, unfortunately. I finally figured out. Okay, I sent a report, so hopefully that'll protect me anyways. I know it's just going up. Nothing I can do about it. I missed it. I got a screenshot for you if you want. I'll text it to you. Turn on subscriber only to stop bots? Oh, gotcha. Well, they're all gone now, so... Yeah, I missed it. I was looking for the 280s for a pump there, but it looks like we we missed it. All out 215. Nice job. Nice trade. Back down to our normal amount of subscribers, 70 or viewers, 78 people in YouTube and 4 next. Oh yeah, thank you, Jono. I appreciate that. That's a good call. Will it? I don't think it'll show. It won't show the amount of people watching though. You know what I mean? I think if as long as I bring it to their attention, I took a screenshot, I brought it to their attention, I sent it to them. That's all I can really do, right? At least I'm getting in front of it, right? So. I think this might be a good time for a duck race. Hey, yeah, good idea. How are we going to get the chat here? How are we going to get the names? Let me just whip up a quick form here. I'll just whip up a new form here real quick. A nice and easy one. Form description. Name, email, YouTube name. Okay, guys, there is a Google Doc there. I'll pin the message here in the full-size stream if you want to hop in there and fill out that form for an entry on the duck race. What's the name of the platform on your screen? Mugan Zasuliman. Hey, sorry if I butchered your name. That is called Bookmap. So it's just basically all the orders that are live in the market. Whether if there's some limit orders on the market through the CME, they show up on the book map. That's those red lines, and then the price is, or the other sort of squiggly lines going up and down. That's the price as it's moving through the orders. Just ain't right. You're a bot. Yeah, don't enter the duck race. It's a scam. Just kidding. So we got 10 responses. We'll leave this open here until about 4 more minutes. So get your entries in if you want to get an extra entry on the next Sunday giveaway. You do have to be in the Sunday giveaway already. So yeah, right, Force Fed. Yeah, the race is real, but the accounts are fake. I've been getting spammed since entering these races. Right? What time was this candle here? 21:30. So the 12:30 candle there. Rejected off the halfway up of this channel. Also the second standard deviation. 44th Punisher, if you got to join the Discord, and in the Discord there is a form in the giveaway channel, and that's for every Sunday for last Sunday and next Sunday and 2 Sundays after that. I'm giving away a Lucid account, a Lucid 25K evaluation account. So if you go into the Discord, enter your information into that form, and then you'll be entered for the giveaway for next Sunday. And then the duck race we're doing tonight just gives you the opportunity. If you win the duck race tonight, you're going to get an extra entry into the next giveaways. So whoever wins, for participating in the live streams here, we're giving people the chance to sort of get extra entries into the giveaway for Sunday, just to give you guys sort of like a thanks for being here on the live streams during the week when we're not doing the giveaway, because I only had 4 accounts to give away, right? So 4 Sundays in a row we're giving them away. Sweet. Are you already in the Discord then, I guess? How far animals can detect a scent? Just got in? Nice. Perfect. So we'll give you guys another minute or two to get in. We got about 17 entries right now. We have 79 people in the watching right now, so we should be able to get some more entries than that, guys. So get your entry in, and then the only other thing you're gonna have to do is you're gonna have to go into the Discord channel if you're not already in there and fill out that form. I guess a lot of you probably already are in there and have filled it out, because what do we have in there? In that form, we have about 82 people have already signed up for the Sunday giveaways. You only have to sign up on that form in the Discord one time, but the form that I'm showing you today is just for tonight's race. Whoever wins tonight's race will get an extra entry, basically. Force Fed, I want to see my duck, damn it. So we'll give it about 1 more minute here. You got another test bar on the 9 EMA. So we got about 17 responses here. Oh, you need the Discord link? I'll post the Discord link in the chat here one more time. I should definitely get some bots going, so that we can get things like exclamation Discord to work. Okay, I'm gonna unpin and remove that comment. So we're gonna get rid of the form here. Okay, let's go. We got 17 responses there, so I'm gonna quickly get the YouTube names. All right, we got the YouTube names. Let's open up the duck race here. Shuffle these guys around. Chickens and bears in the yard, right? You guys ready? Good luck to the winner. All right, what do we got here? It looks like Sat's pushing up in the front. We got a Superman duck, Drew 69 Malibu Superman duck. We got a frog duck on the top there. Kyle, Wayne pushing up the front here. Who's in the back? Usually the people in the back are gonna get a good chance to win. Here's Mustang Trader in the back. We got the Punisher, Yo Jim Blab in the back here. Oh, 44th Punisher is pushing up right now. Paul here in the Strawberry Duck. We got Wayne, AG Trader, number 500. Dennis Tudos. Oh, Mustang Trader, looks like you graduated. Pushing up here from the back. Oh, look out. Kyle's pushing up from the back here. We got 30 seconds left. Usually whoever's going to win is going to be the one who takes off in the last 10 seconds. Oh, let me get rid of this banner, guys, so you can see what's going on. There we go. Mustang Trader in the bottom. Ranja's pulling back. 16 seconds here. Yo Jim Blab in the middle of the pack. Dennis Tudo's pushing up. Who's in the back here? Who's coming up? Oh, look out. Look out. Ranja's coming back. And there goes Kyle. Is it Ranja? It's Ranja won. Congratulations, Ranja. You just got another entry into the Sunday giveaway. You're in the chat, obviously, right? Gotta be in the chat. Let's see it. I want to see a draw. Yeah, right? Ranja went home. Ranja. Oh, there he is. There he is. I see him. I see him. Congrats, man. So I'm just gonna add your name. I did compile a name on ChatGPT, a name list. That's where I'm just keeping track of All right, so Rocket Fuel and Ranja both have 2 entries for next week. So congratulations there, guys. Thank you for being here and for supporting the stream. Obviously appreciate you guys as usual. Hey, you're welcome. Just make sure you're here on Sunday. I'd hate for you to win the account on Sunday and not be here to claim it. Finding some resistance here on the second deviation band. What time do we got? 9:48. My Yoshi duck was sprinting at the end there? Yeah, it was. It was trying to take it out, eh? Squanto, occasionally I have traded gold. I've been kind of staying away from it a bit lately just because I got burned a few times lately, so I've kind of been just sticking with NQ. Do you want me to take a look at the chart real quick? Are you trading gold tonight? Looks like we kind of sold off a bit there on gold. We are below a couple EMAs. I don't know, these aren't up to date though, so let's get rid of these guys. I just find that, you know, on gold, the corrections always catch me. Yeah, it's volatile during Globex. You're long. I see what you're looking at here. You know, we found some support here. We're kind of in a upward channel, let's say. Let's clone this guy here. So this is technically a bearish, like this is basically looks kind of like a bear flag to me. But so you're 47.03 you're long from. Nice entry there. That's a real nice entry. Did you get on this pullback here? We do have a bullish fair value gap at 47.03. So, I mean, we're probably going to continue higher, but typically these ones do like to roll out the bottom side and sort of turn bearish. Now, how long we're going to end up staying in the bullish channel is hard to say. Maybe up to, you know, up to these recent highs at a minimum, maybe up to like 47.20. But it seems like we're currently finding a lot of resistance here on the 200 EMA. And let's just put a view up here on the 1500 candle, or the start a session candle. Put our deviation bands here and make it red. So we were below the deviation, the standard, the -1 deviation band. We popped up it, we went below it again. Now we're kind of holding it. So that's a good sign. You know, maybe we're going to get up to 716, but like I said, typically when I see this type of price action, I'm looking at it sort of like it's a bearish flag, so we might end up breaking lower. So, you know, protect your position. Worst case scenario, you get a break even, right? You need a boner candle song to get this thing going? All right, let's do it. So again, trade your trade though, bro. I'm not that successful with gold. I never can really read when I'm going to get the pullbacks or whatever, and then I end up getting stopped out for a loss, and then it goes to my TP. So wherever you think you're going to put your stop, that's probably the good place to enter. You're targeting 47.15. Oh yeah, that looked like, I think that's a good area. which is it's front running the VWAP, so I don't see why you can't get there. But I mean, obviously there's no guarantees. I would say this fair value gap above here at 711 is definitely a key area. You get a candle closure above that, you're definitely going to be heading up to your target. So, but currently mixed signals. You're in a bearish fair value gap, and you also have a bullish fair value gap overlapping right there. So kind of a little bit of mixed signals there. And technically you're below the New York, or below the overnight VWAP, which is bearish territory. So I mean, you have a nice entry though. So I would definitely maybe put a stop somewhere in a little bit of profit, and then you're not really sweating much, right? Yeah, it is a tough area. It looks like it's finding some resistance, so never know here. It could just roll over on you, unfortunately. You're still long 28,221, waiting to close for close to 400. Just finished my HIIT workout. Nice. Love it. 400, hey? You're long 267 on NQ. Yeah, 300 is coming. It looks like it wants to go there, doesn't it? We got inundated with 2,000 bots in the channel, so I ended up having to focus on reporting to YouTube and all this stuff, and basically I just missed this whole move, man. I missed it all. I know a bunch of people in the chat are long, but yeah. All right, Dad. Good night. See ya. Yeah, we had all of a sudden there was like over 2,100 viewers instantly in the channel. Some guy came in, he started trolling everybody. Yeah, it's still going. Yeah, I don't know. I just don't really want to chase it here. Flat is a position. I haven't lost anything tonight, so I'm happy about that. But yeah, obviously looking back, hindsight, I could have just bought anywhere basically and just waited. So. But it's all good. I don't need to push it every day, right? It's all good. You ever let anything run while you sleep, 1 micro instead of stop? I've done it a few times in the past, and often my stop just gets hit. So I just didn't bother doing that. Mick, you got 1 micro from 29,221. Nice. That's a great entry. I go for longer term trades with wider stop. Nice. Yeah, I've gotten burned too many times. I'll go to sleep and then it'll go straight to my stop. That's what I've found happened to me anyways. What did I target on NQ? I mean, we got orders up at 300 there. So that's definitely a key level. That's what we've been talking about for a while as a target, but 300 has had orders there for a long time. There's not anything really substantial above, but we do have another 145 contracts up at 400, so it might continue on up there. Been pretty bullish, that's for sure. Yeah, I'm content with being flat here. I've been in this. We've been streaming for what, two and a half hours now. I haven't taken any trades. Got distracted in the middle of that move, and yeah. $15-minute bearish FVG is your target? Sort of like 310, 300, 310 area? Nice. If the trade looks stupid, don't take it. Code MBT, baby. Gold's coming down. Yeah, you're still in that flag pattern though, so I wouldn't be that worried until it pulls out of there. Just hit your TP for the day. Nice job, Stack Dubs. Good job. You're out with small profit. 250. Good trade. Nice trade. All right, the Punisher. See you tomorrow. Angia's pushing my code here, guys. Thank you, Angia. I was hoping the bots wouldn't screw up the duck race. Yeah. This trade made me forget $100 is big. Of course, I mean $100 anywhere, $100, 250. That's all awesome, man. Killer. So here's my my monthly report here so far. It's been a killer month so far. I had a really nice day today, up 919 across my accounts. I am risk syncing, so I'm trading sort of in groups. I got my Take Profit Trader accounts together. I got my Lucid funded Flex accounts together, and then I got my Top One Futures 150K funded account together. And green across them all today. But yeah, it's been a solid month so far. Lots of green on the chart or on the calendar. Hopefully we can keep it that way. But in a trade, we want more. Yeah, that's always how it is, right? When you win 100, you're like, oh, that's good. But next trade, I want 150, and then you want 200, and then you want 250, and it's a cycle that can really screw up your trading, right? Because once you get too confident, you start sizing up. That's when you're gonna end up losing 400, right? Like you're trying to make 150, and then you lose 400 because you sized up, right?
Everybody got a system. Everybody got a story. But the market.
See, this is exactly what would have happened to me. I would have entered 2 micros in like 292 area, and then look at that. Now we're pulling back down 281. That's why I was like, at this point, you know, we're almost getting to the end of the stream also. So if I can't be on it, if I can't, you know, like I'm gonna have to go to bed here pretty soon. So as much as I would like to take a trade to get a nice W, the bed is calling me pretty soon here. Yeah, we're probably gonna pull back a bit. Let's see though, if we get a nice hold down there, we might bounce off the value area high or this 250 key level.
But if you risk too much, it'll humble you. Seen a hype build up, seen a fall back quick. From this is the way to man, this ain't it. So I keep it simple, I keep it tight. One clean trade, I sleep at night. Yeah, I heard the legend, heard the lore. Every move mapped out from before. Kill zones here, sessions there, but my P&L like, you sure you can?
I am kind of interested in trying to long this here. We've been holding this 9 EMA for some time now. Thinking about it. You're good host. You're a great host with good vibes and stream. You stayed composed and handled the troll well. I'm about to sign off. Booked second green night in Lucid funded. Nice job. Keep on trucking. Thank you for that. Appreciate that. You have a good night. Yo, Jim Blab. Where's the sheet to fill out? You missed tonight's duck race if that's what you're talking about. If not, you got to go in the Discord. There's a giveaway channel. You only have to fill it out one time in the giveaway channel. So if you've already filled that out, you're already entered for sure for the next 4 or 3 Sundays going forward. My trading strategy is a little unorthodox. I wake up long at the daily 4-hour and hour candles. If the bars are green, I get long a 2-minute chart pullback and place stops below the hour low bar. Okay, that's cool. It's definitely a different style, but I mean, if you're finding some success with that, that sounds really good to me. Okay, I did jump in along there on my one top one futures funded account, guys. 1 micro. I didn't want to disappoint here. We're up about $10 at the moment. There we go. Thinking about I'm gonna put a stop in here. I'm not looking to break the bank with this guy, so let's put a stop in here now. 1 micro. Stop below this candle. If we end up pulling back, I'm happy to get out here. We're locking a quick $20 on this trade. I got peer pressured into taking a trade here. Let's trail this up here. Nice. We're locked in at 29,290. Let's see if they're gonna pop it some more. It looks like they might take this higher, guys. Ready to drop my stop here up a little bit higher. If we get a pullback, it's gonna stop me out. One more tick and we're out. All right, we got out there. So a quick 26.50 on that trade. Nice. Squanto, your target hit. Good job, buddy. Oh, nice bullish candle on the gold there. Congrats, man. I'm happy for you. So locked in a quick $25 there on my take profit or top one futures 150K funded account. And watch, it's probably gonna keep going here. I shouldn't have been such a wussy. I should have sized up a bit. Yep, if the daily 4-hour and 1-hour are green, then only take longs and vice versa. Hey, I mean, it's very basic strategy, but sometimes basic is like the best way to go, right? So good on you. Good on you. That was like we're in the 10, that was a 10 p.m. candle for me. So the 1 a.m. candle Eastern Standard Time. But hey guys, you know what? On that note, we took one little base hit there on the stream. It's been a fun stream though. I had a lot of fun with you guys in the comment section. Had like some interesting chats, and we got a bot that showed up, and your feed was delayed again. Oh yeah, just be careful if you notice if a commercial comes up, you might have to hit that live button again, right? So might be buffering. So, but yeah, I'm gonna wrap it up here, guys. I do have to be up for the market open tomorrow morning. It's pretty late. I still got to take Frank out for a walk and get ready for bed, whatnot. So I appreciate you guys all being here. Thanks so much. Let's take a quick look at how we did on if we got some more subscribers or not. Some shadow in the dark really knows your name. I ain't saying it's fake, I ain't saying it's true, but if you risk too much, it'll humble you. Seen the hype build up, seen the fall back quick. Who won the duck race? Ranja won. So he got an extra entry for the Sunday's race. I heard the legend, heard the lore, every move mapped out from before. Hey, we got to 1,164 subscribers. Thank you guys for all of those that are new. I appreciate you guys. Thanks for the support. Obviously, love all you guys who are here every day. Looks like we're squeezing higher here, guys. Squeezing higher. If it works for you, then go get your deal. But I've seen too many stuck in the script while the market flipped and they couldn't adapt quick. Interesting night, lots of fun chat in the chat, and then you couldn't fill out the sheets. So that was pinned in the comment section, but we did the race earlier. So I did pin it in the comment section for a while, for about 10 minutes or so, just to get the entries for the chance to get another extra entry for the Sunday giveaway, right? So if you're already signed up for the one in Discord, though, you'll be, no matter what, you'll have an entry into the giveaway on Sunday. But these, come back on Thursday for the evening stream, and we'll do another duck race to give it a chance to get a second entry for this Sunday's giveaway. So 63 people liked the stream, and we crossed the 1,160 mark. So, yeah. All right, Chris. Yeah, sorry you missed that. But yeah, we talked about it, and then we pinned it in the comment section for about 10 minutes to get some entries. There's 17 people that got in on that duck race. So, yeah. All right, guys, thanks so much. Let's do our little top fans shout out like we usually do. Force Fed, Chris, Randy Trades, Paul, Skeletor, Mick, Mustang Trader, Jerry Trades, Rod, Drew 69 Malibu, Yo Jim Blob, Angia, Wayne, M Will, Kyle, Kaylin, Tony L, Lone Wolf, Randall, Economic Pulse, Ranja, Squanto, nice trade Squanto, my dad, Roy Stewart, Cop Maps, Kyrie Faye, Stack Dubs, Keith Smith, Oleg, Sharpie, I Play Slow, L Trader, 44 The Punisher, D Gen Plays, Topple Fiddle, C Moore, Adam Daz, Tim Cord, Jono, Clee Torres. Oh, Clee left me. Oh, guys, I'm so sad. Kyo 2NM, Harriet Tickman, Mango, Adam, It's Dante, Trading Game, Luis Enrique, What the Flock, Arnoxten, Wayne Beauregard, and the classic 007. Thank you guys for being here. I appreciate you guys. Had a fun stream tonight. Caught a little W there. Mostly everyone, we were talking longs the whole night, so I'm sure everybody kind of had their opportunities to make some W's. So congratulations, everybody, on the stream. Thanks a lot for being here. We'll be live tomorrow morning, 9:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Or if you're up early, Nick will be actually starting the stream at 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So be there or be square. So thank you so much, everybody. We'll see you on the flip side.
own story.
Yeah. Okay. We barely got sleep and keep moving wild with the volume low key. World going up on the NASDAQ too. One of y'all lying, I don't trust you. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Flag pattern forming, kinda looks clean. 5 green candles and you know what I mean. Trying to catch a move, but I'm staying patient. Chat talking wild, saying our financial statements. Yeah, Mr. Entry by tick, pain. Almost got filled again. Set the stop, bring it up, break even. Market take this, market teasing. I'm just stacking little base hits. 36 bucks, don't waste it. NQ swinging stops in a rip split. You blink once, man, you miss it. We don't chase highs, but we pull back. Paper hands cry, I want that back.
Oh, that didn't loop.
Just stacking up these base hits. 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 Got banned on X 'cause the Chuck Norris clip.
See you guys. Peace out.
Now I'm sitting here like what I do wrong. While the market keeps singing its song. Chad talking about copied and trades. Like advice needs to scalp in plays. Someone so early, now the regret. Man, I should have held. Yeah, we all say that. Long one micro, keep it tight. Trail that stop, protect the night. $5 green and 30 more. We ain't greedy, we've been here before. I'm just stacking little base hits. Small wins, losses.